On September 19, 2024, Madagascar hosted the General Meeting of Africa 50 shareholders, an African investment platform owned by 32 African countries, two central banks, and the African Development Bank. Africa 50 highlights innovative solutions to unlock the potential of large-scale infrastructure on the continent. Its main objective is to forge strategic partnerships for inclusive and sustainable economic development at all levels. According to estimates by the African Development Bank, Africa needs between $130 to $170 billion a year for infrastructure development and a further $277 billion each year for climate change financing. To close this gap, it is important that we continue to reform the global financial architecture, overcome the biased nature of credit ratings, and use innovative approaches to close the growing capital gap.
Les réformes de l'architecture financière mondiale.
Increasing the rate of infrastructure development in Africa requires specialized financial tools to meet the specific challenges of the market. In 7 years of operation, 25 different projects have been launched under the aegis of Africa 50 in 28 African countries for a total value of $8 billion. The satisfactory results are the sign of a dynamic focus on high-impact regional projects in the infrastructure, energy, transport, health, education, ICT, and water sectors through public-private partnerships. That is why we are proud that our energy investment efforts across Africa, for example, have given more than 17 million people in Africa access to reliable electricity. Thanks to our investment in Africa Healthcare Network, thousands of people in Tanzania and Kenya are receiving quality, affordable, and life-changing kidney care. In collaboration with the government of Rwanda under the leadership of President Kagame, we have launched the construction of the 61-hectare Kigali Innovation City, which already holds and continues to host universities of excellence, startup incubators, accelerators in disruptive business sectors such as robotics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and more.
Des incubateurs de start-up.
Madagascar, with its geostrategic position and development potential, is a perfect example of the challenges and opportunities on the table. The host country of Africa 50 General Assembly has put forward a number of objectives as part of its energy transition.
Madagascar
has exceptional potential to become a model for energy transition. We are fortunate to have abundant and renewable natural resources. We have hydroelectric projects that are just waiting to be exploited. These projects are concrete solutions for meeting the energy needs for our country, our population, and our industry. Madagascar's future lies in clean, sustainable, and accessible energy. The host country of Africa 50 General Assembly will take over the reins of the Southern African Development Community (SADC) in 2025. To ensure the availability of affordable energy for all, projections by the International Energy Agency indicates that by 2030, investment in energy access in Africa should reach nearly $25 billion.